Welcome back to Car Explorer, your home for in-depth reviews of the latest and most innovative vehicles in the world. Today, we're exploring the Ford Motorhome 2026, a bold new step by Ford that blends rugged dependability, modern technology, and the spirit of adventure into a luxury home on wheels. Ford has always been about strength, versatility, and innovation, and the 2026 Motorhome is a perfect example of how the company is redefining mobile living. From the outside, the Ford Motorhome 2026 strikes a powerful yet stylish presence. The front end features Ford's signature bold grille with chrome accents, flanked by sleek LED matrix headlights that give it a commanding look both day and night. The tall, aerodynamic body has been designed to reduce drag and improve efficiency, while still providing ample space for travelers. Large tinted panoramic windows not only enhance the exterior aesthetics, but also flood the interior with natural light. The sculpted body, flush-fitting handles, and integrated roof rails provide a modern and practical design, while the automatic side awning and motorized entry steps add convenience and comfort for life on the road. Step inside, and Ford immediately proves why this motorhome is a true game-changer. The interior feels like a modern luxury apartment with its spacious layout and carefully chosen materials. Premium leather seating, wood grain accents, and customizable LED ambient lighting create an atmosphere of comfort and sophistication. The cockpit is futuristic, with a wide digital driver's display, a large 14-inch infotainment screen powered by Ford's Sync 5 system, and seamless smartphone integration through wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice, commands, and AI-based navigation make controlling the system simple and intuitive. The living space is versatile and beautifully designed. The lounge area includes reclining seats that double as beds, a foldable dining table, and a retractable smart TV for entertainment. The kitchen is fully equipped, featuring a modern induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, a microwave, and ample storage space. Ford has designed the interior to maximize usability, making it ideal for both long road trips and stationary camping. Moving to the bedroom, the Ford Motorhome 2026 includes a queen-size bed with memory foam, climate-controlled bedding, and storage underneath. A panoramic skylight above the bed adds a touch of luxury, offering views of the stars at night. The bathroom is equally impressive, with a rainfall shower, an eco-friendly water system, and a modern vanity setup, ensuring that comfort doesn't end when you leave the lounge. Performance is where Ford has truly elevated the game. The 2026 Motorhome is powered by a 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 hybrid engine, delivering around 360 horsepower and plenty of torque to handle towing and long-distance journeys. It's paired with Ford's 10-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth shifts and efficient performance. For those leaning toward sustainability, Ford also offers a plug-in hybrid version, giving drivers the ability to travel short distances on pure electric power, while still maintaining range confidence. On the road, the Ford Motorhome 2026 feels surprisingly agile for its size. Thanks to adaptive suspension, electronic stability control, and advanced steering assistance, it handles highways and rough roads with ease. For off-grid enthusiasts, the Motorhome includes an optional all-wheel drive system, making it capable of tackling tougher terrains without compromising comfort. Technology and safety are at the heart of this model. Equipped with Ford Co-Pilot 360, the Motorhome comes with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system for parking and maneuvering. These features make the driving experience safer and more stress-free, even in challenging conditions. Another standout benefit is its off-grid capability. With roof-mounted solar panels, a high-capacity battery pack, and smart energy management, the Ford Motorhome 2026 allows extended stays away from charging stations or campsites. Integrated Wi-Fi and smart home-style controls for lighting, climate, and power add a modern touch, letting travelers stay connected wherever the journey takes them. As for pricing,